video. If you're new here, hello. My name is Queendee. The RoyalFam is what I call my supporters, my subscribers. Those have been supporting me from day one. So if you would like to become a part of the RoyalFam, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell so you don't miss out when I post, because I do post frequently. And if you are already a part of the RoyalFam, how you doing? How you been? I hope that January is treating you good so far. I cannot believe, yes, as I was saying, I cannot believe like we're pretty much halfway through January already. Like, where is the time going? It's literally flying and it's crazy. Like, I need time to just slow down a little bit so I can regroup and get myself together, because I'm not ready for this year to fly by like last year did. But yes, so I hope everybody is having a good start to their week. You know, it's only Monday, but Sunday was yesterday, so I hope everybody is having a good start to their week, whether you working, going to school, or just relaxing. I hope everybody has a good start to their week and everybody has a great week. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be an unboxing video because your girl finally got a ring light. Yes, I told y'all I'm working on my channel this year, so we're taking it one step at a time. So, yes, your girl got a ring light. I actually got it on sale. I got the 18-inch, and usually that's like 100 plus, and I got it for $56. So, that is such a deal. But we're going to get into it. So, if you would like to see my unboxing video for my ring light, then keep on watching. So, I kind of already filmed this video, so it's already out the box. But of course, the box came in this big box. It was a box inside a box. So this is the box that it came from. I ordered it from Amazon. It came in 2 days because I have Prime. So that's the box that it came in. And then this is the box that the actual ring light is in. So yeah, let's open this box up. This is the Neewer ring light. Like I said, Neewer ring light, 18-inch. Comes with the carrying case and all of that good stuff. So when you first open the box, the first thing I see is this rectangular box. I'm gonna guess this is the tripod, which it is. So it has a tripod, which I'm really excited about because now I don't have to sit on the floor anymore when I'm filming videos. I can stand up because I kind of like this better, standing up for certain type of videos, whereas like when I'm doing hauls and stuff, I can stand up and have the camera up, and then like when I'm doing like talking videos, I can be sitting down and have the camera down on the floor. But yeah, so tripod. And then there's this piece. I'm not quite sure what this is. It looks like it might be an extender of some sort, but yeah. Okay, so next thing in the box is the bag. Everything is in this bag. It's the carrying case. It says Neewer on the front, of course. My phone is ringing. I feel like I just keep getting interrupted, but okay. So yes, this is the carrying case. It just says Neewer because that is the brand, of course. Ooh, the light is pushing me. So inside the case, you open it. There are 2 compartments and a zipper section. In the first compartment, it has this box in here. And the box just has what's supposed to come. It has like a picture of everything that's supposed to come. So it comes with the ring light, a smartphone holder, a Bluetooth receiver to like make it record and stuff without having to get up and touch it, a power adapter, a soft tube, a ball light, the light stand, which is a tripod, white and orange color filter sets, and then the bag, of course. Then it has like a thank you note, like thank you for supporting us or whatever. Then it has instructions, which I will be reading because I like to read instructions to make sure I'm doing stuff right before I just assume it's just not working. Then here's like the phone holder, the Bluetooth clicker, part of the charging plug, the other part of the charging plug. This is some type of adapter things for something. And then the orange filter, and then the clear white filter. And then the last thing in the bag, of course, is the ring light itself. Super excited. It's not plugged in, so I can't like show you how it looks on, but I probably will plug it in though. This is just a ring light. It just has where the plugs go. I'm really not sure where the plugs go. Oh, in here. It plugs into like the little plug right there, and then it has like the power switch to dim it and stuff like that. So I'm gonna plug it in real quick and we're gonna see how this thing works. Hold on. Okay, so I have it plugged in. Let's see this baby. Ooh, okay. So this is off. This is on. First setting. Up, up, up. Whoa. And it gets higher than that. Okay, that is bright. I'm excited. Let's see how it looks on my face. So this is just the first setting. Like if my phone was in the middle. Let me turn this light off. Okay, so if my phone was in the middle, this is just how that would look. Then I'm gonna turn it up. Whoa. Okay. Yes, I cannot wait. I'm so excited, y'all. Turn up some. Oh, blinding me. Yeah. So I'm excited, y'all. Ring light. Get you one. Got it off Amazon. 18-inch. Got it on sale though. I do believe there are some other ones that are like on sale, like the other sizes, but I don't know if the 18-inch is still on sale or not. But yeah, so that was my unboxing video for my ring light. I'm super excited and cannot wait to start using it. So definitely make sure y'all subscribe and stay tuned because the quality is just improving, y'all. So yes, I'm actually about to film a video right now. I have a little haul for y'all coming, so definitely make sure y'all subscribe for that as well. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. If you have any questions about the ring light or how I think it is working, I'm definitely going to update y'all as I continue to or start to film with it and let y'all know what I'm really thinking. But so far, my initial thoughts is that it's going to be doing what it needs to do, and I'm excited. So make sure you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that bell. And also make sure you follow me on my social media as well. I'm gonna see you on the next video, my RoyalFam. I love you. Bye.